traveling is really exciting thing, but do you feel sometimes overwhelmed with packing? In today's video, I'm going to share with you easy tips to help you pack like a pro, to help you not feeling stressed and overwhelmed, to pack in a practical way for your trip, and very important, to travel with a style. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified every time I load a new video on style advice. I'm Yifat Jovani, and my goal of my channel is to help you find confidence in your style again, to help women to become the best version of themselves every single day. In the past, when I used to go away, I used to pack a huge suitcase, only if it was just for 4 single days. Seriously, I got overwhelmed. I wasn't sure what would I like to wear during the trip, so I used to literally put all my clothes inside my suitcase. It was crazy. Seriously was crazy. Over the years, I learned how to pack even if I go for 10 days away just with a carry-on suitcase, and it's a game changer. I love the feeling of going away even if it's 10 days with just carry on. It's an amazing feeling. I like that it's practical. I travel with a style, and if I learn how to do it, you can learn too. So let's dive into it. Start packing, you want to ask yourself questions that will help you pack in a smart way. Like, what is the weather will be in the place that you're going traveling? What is the activity that you're going to do during your trip? Maybe most of the day you're going to be near the pool area, the lake. Maybe you're going for hikes or museum, going for dinners, going for nightclubs. All those questions will help you to be more focused what to pack in your suitcase. The secret for minimalist traveling is to pack in a mini capsule principle. So what does it mean, a capsule principle? Is that the items that you take, you can mix and match them, and you can maximize your outfit. So let's see, what does it mean? Let me show you how I pack my carry-on suitcase based on the capsule principle. So where I'm going is going to be, it's summertime, the weather is nice and warm, so the item that I chose for my bottoms part are these shorts, I chose the skirt, and this white jeans, which I really like. The color, it's nice and summery. Maybe in the evenings or the morning the weather will be cool, so this is really great to have it with me. Now for each one of these bottoms, I'm going to choose 3 top parts that I can mix and match with all those 3 bottoms parts. Okay, so I chose for the first 3 tops are more solid colors. So this is my first blouse, the purple one. I have this green olives that I chose, and this blue one, more dressy style look, maybe if I'm going to go out in the evening. So I have those 3. So this is my first 3. Now I'm personally really like to mix 2 patterns in the same outfit. Everyone have his own personal taste, but I really love to do it. So I chose this pattern top, those 2 ones, and even if both of them are patterns, I think it's really look nice together. Okay, so far I have 2, 4, 5 tops. Okay, so I need to choose 4 more tops, because we said for each one of my bottoms I'm going to choose 3 tops part. So let's see what else do I have here. So the other items that I chose to take, one of them is dress. I really love wearing dresses during the summer. It's nice, it's airy, it's light. So I chose to take a dress to have it instead of taking another top part, and I love it because I can wear it if I go to the lake or at evening. I can dress it up with different jewelry, so this is really great choice for me. And the last three top items that I'm chose to take with me will be cardigan or layers tops, because again the weather can be a little bit cooler at night. So what I chose to take is this purple cardigan, this green cardigan, and my jean jacket, which I really love to have it. This shoes choices, I chose the sandals. I really like them because I can go with it to the pool, I can go with it to the lake and walk with them during the day. And I chose those flat shoes. I really like to be comfortable, especially when I'm traveling, and I like it because I can as well wear it if I go to a restaurant in the evening, more dressy it up. Let's talk about jewelry. When I'm going away, I like to take with me jewelry, but I will take just few, again because I want to pack light. So my choice of necklaces usually is a short necklace, something that I can go with my outfits. The other one is longer length of necklace and some chunky statement piece of jewelry. So with this I can mix and match all my outfit. What I like as well to take one bracelet in the summertime, so I have one that can go with everything, and maybe one or two pair of earrings. This is usually the jewelry that I will take with me, and of course the ring that I go with me, but just one set of rings. I'm not going to take many. As far as for bag, what I like to take when I'm traveling is to take a mini backpack with me. I love it because it's very comfortable. I can go to hike with it, to museum, I can go to the lake with it, and I can even fit my laptop inside. And I love the fact that it has so many pockets, just amazing. I bought it recently in Amazon. I will share the link with you if you like to check it out. And sometimes I like to take with me as well small bags, just a small purse if I'm going out in the evening for a restaurant, so this is nice to have it handy as well. This is how I pack when I'm going away, even for 10 days, 2 weeks, everything in my carry-on. And I love the fact that I still, as you can see, I still have room for shopping if I want to treat myself, which is amazing. I love the fact that I have only 12 items with me in this carry-on, and I can mix and match many different looks with them. It's so much fun. If you like this video, hit the like button and the bell so you'll be notified every time I load a new video, which is happen once a week. Also, if you like to go a little bit deeper and to learn more about me and how I can help you find confidence in your style again, please reach me at info@yifatjovani.com. I love language comments, so it will be great to hear what is your takeaway from this video. And last but not least, I'm going to share with you a link of must have in your wardrobe so you can start to maximize your closet. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.